My name is John Forlenzo. I'm Vice President of Logistics and Customization at Belimo Americas. Belimo was founded in Switzerland in 1975, so we're a Swiss-based company. Belimo is a market leader for damper actuators, control valves, and sensors in the commercial HVAC industry. Belimo needed a new building to support our continuous growth. With the investment that we made in this Schaefer system, we're in this for the long haul with a long-term partner. So following the goods throughout the entire ASRS system, the goods start in induction. Induction is the process of getting the goods into a tub or tray into the mini load system. Then an order is created by our customer service department. Customer service enters their order in through the SAP system. The SAP system downloads that to our warehouse management system, which then talks to our MFS or WAMA system. The goods are organized within the WAMA system and then distributed to the different picking areas. We have different picking methodologies. Our picking methodologies allow us to distinguish between, is this a finished order, ready to go to packing, or is this a good ready to go to assembly? But the system will drive those goods to where they need to be at the right time. Here at Belimo, we utilize Schaefer's KMB 627 as our pick tote. We also use the LTF series as our material storage tub. It's 100% recyclable, very durable, and Belimo orange. The Schaefer mini load crane system allows us to utilize our vertical storage and minimize our footprint. It's very effective, efficient. It's far more efficient than a manual pick method. It's more of a man-machine interface that allows the goods to come to the pickers and get the orders done more quickly. Now our assemblers get their goods much faster and there's less wait time, allowing them to be more productive. Our experience overall with the Schaefer system has been very good. Operational excellence is a key element for us here at Belimo. It's really about getting the right product at the right time to the right customer every time.